Hi, Leif Wormson here. I'm just going to show you a few of the differences in the new Squid Crafter version 1.1.1, and I have all the templates ready to go into that version. They will be the B version of the templates. The first edition is the 2.1B, so if you're using the new Squid Crafter version 1.1.1, use the B version of the templates. And the reason for that, a lot of the functionality is the same in the main select products area. You go to the page, you click on the product, and you click the add button. The product list, it looks to me to be much the same. You may want to watch some of Chris's videos. I don't see any big differences here. You can move the items up or down in the list. You save any changes you make here, remove a product there. This is a new functionality in this one, and that is you can click or actually when you open up Squid Crafter, that will be unchecked. But if you are partway done with something and you want to save the products you have in the list, you can just click Save Session Products, and that will stay there. These will stay in the list when you reopen. Module preview, I almost never look at it, but it does not function the same way a browser will, because in a browser the images will actually shrink down as you narrow the page. In Java, that isn't the case, but that's not affecting the templates at all. Once you paste your code into like Squidoo, or you put it into a WordPress page, or you put it onto Blogger, it's going to work just fine. It's just, this isn't a browser, so it's not going to work that way. Okay, so in the edit module, this is where the main changes are. A lot of the bugs have been fixed. There weren't that many, but there were a few, and you can work in the GUI if you wish. What I would do is watch your code, make sure it always starts with P style, and whatever is going on, if there's something strange, it usually ends up at the front part of this code. And if you make a mistake, you just hit fill template again. You do have to redo adjustments if you do that, but that will redo the code back to where it was. But it does not seem to be creating trouble if you do your adjustments in here at this point in time. The only thing I'm pretty sure you can't do is double click. Let's see what happens if you do that. I think you can double click up here, but if you double click down here, it's still grabbing these two, and that would be a major rewrite. If you want to work in the code box, still use drag to highlight. Don't double click. You can try it here, and I may do that later, but I'm not going to show that to you. You can just double click here, paste in your paragraph, and see how it works. Make sure nothing changes down here, and you should be good. And if something happens, you just hit fill template again, and it'll start up fresh. The main functionality difference here is in the buttons, which makes it great, because all you got to do is choose the button you want if you're using a hosted button, and all your buttons will change to that. When you say, let's see, what do we have? Right now we've got the one I selected. Let's go to a bigger one, and then we just say fill template, and there they are. They're all changed. Now, let me scroll back up so you can just see them change easier. So if you want a wide one, you just, there it is. It's different. It works really slick. That is a great addition. Now, if you're using a built-in button, just let's do a small image. We'll do a blue with text. And you type in, for your built-in buttons, you type the text into this spot. Now let's fill the template. Check today's price. There it is. It's all done. That will save so much more time over the other one, which already saved you probably 80% of the time to use compared to using the templates manually. So those are the main differences that I see. watch Chris's videos also, and go build some lenses or web pages and blogger blogs, whatever you use this for. It's getting better all the time, and Chris has done a great job. My templates work really well in it. Go do some more. Thank you. Bye.